Sherco 450 SEF Rally. Welcome to the news from MOTORCYCLES.NEWS/EN. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get the most important motorcycle news every day. Based on the Enduro 450 SEF Factory, Sherco has developed a version that has been optimized for use in the Dakar. With 3 riders, they want a race for victory. Lorenzo Santolino, Goncalves and Harith will each ride a Sherco 450 SEF Rally in the upcoming Dakar. This is a further development of the prototype that already competed in the Morocco Rally. With exact information on the 450 SEF Rally, Sherco is still holding back. If you look at the bike on which the rally is based, you will find a frame made of chrome molybdenum steel, and which the 4-stroke single cylinder is mounted. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel via 6 gears. Changes have been made to the suspension elements, with the switch from Kayaba to BOS Mac Racing. The exhaust system comes from Akrapovic and the tires from Michelin. More will be revealed at the official team presentation on 28th of December. Perhaps we will then also learn whether the bike will also go into production in this or a similar form. Thanks for watching.